Hi, this is my video on how to create a wiki space. The first thing that you would want to do is go to wikispaces.com and go ahead and create an account. You'll first get to this page and go ahead and hit sign in. You don't have a username or password yet, so you would go up here to make a new account. Go ahead and click on that. Just fill in the required information. And make a wiki? Sure, let's make a wiki. Alright, and then you've got to choose a name, what you would like to call your wiki, and go ahead and fill it in the appropriate block. Hit private, and then if you hit the wiki type, it will be free if you click on the K-12 education, primary and secondary. Then it would be free. I already have a username and password, so let me go ahead and sign in. And when you, let me go ahead and, you'll get this will be a starting page. Welcome to your new wiki. So at this point, you'll need to make a decision on how you want the appearance of your wiki to look. So you would go to Manage Wikis. And this is basically where you would do things with content, people, settings, and tools. There's a lot of applications that you can do. Here we'll go to settings, and you just kind of scroll down and see what will fit your needs. You can also import images and have them as your logo. I've decided to use an eagle, our school mascot, for this. Go back to Manage Wikis. As long as we're here, there is not like a bank of illustrations to use like clip art might have. So any illustrations that you may want to use in your wikis, you will have to go to the File option here, and you can upload pictures as I have here. Click Search. I'm sorry, let's go upload files. That would work a little bit better. And it'll give you access to your various files, and all you have to do is choose one. Go ahead and close this, and it will add it to your library, to your bank. Okay, so let's say you've got some images loaded and you've got your purpose of your wiki. We'll go ahead and create a new page. Give your page a name, and then you can get to work. Basically, you'll have a blank page. This one has already been set up. In order to do any sort of editing, move this over a little bit so you can see it, you hit the edit button. So now, once you hit the edit button, you'll see a toolbar that has shown up at the top, and you can go ahead and insert things and type things, anything that you'd like to do, almost like a Word document. What I've used my wiki space for is basically as an introduction at the beginning of the year for students. Also, I use the wiki for students who may come in midway at some part during the year and need to get caught up on basically procedures and things of that sort. So that's my intent for this wiki. We'll go ahead and get out of the edit mode, and we'll just take a look at it here for a second. I have imported, an image there of a welcome. You can also have several pages. The next one, my classroom procedures. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. Basically, once again, just to import, to go ahead and put an image on your page, you would have to hit Edit and go to File, go down your list and look for the image that you want. And then go ahead and click it and it'll insert it. Obviously I don't want that right there, so I'll just go ahead and delete that before I mess anything up on my page. Okay, so let's go ahead and cancel and go to another page. Online textbook information. The textbooks that we have, there's two. We use an earth science book and a life science book. And what I've done is I've put the login procedures and any information concerning the online text on the page so that they can access it if they need a refresher or forget how to do something. Here I've created a link to the textbook site. So once again, we'll go to Edit if you wanted to do that. You would just go ahead and click the link button and the link text and where you would like it to go, basically. And then you just click the Add Link. Works out pretty good. Let's go ahead and cancel this here then. Alright. Also, one thing I've done on this page, I've given the login procedures and how they would do it. I've embedded a YouTube, which basically just goes through the process of how to navigate through the online text. And the way you would embed a video, well, once again, you would have to go up to Edit, and then go ahead and click on Widget, and then Video, and where it came from, and you would have to go ahead and copy the embedded code off of the YouTube video that you want and then place it in the appropriate box, and then that will embed your video. Let's go ahead and cancel this again. Let's see, what else? Let's go to Start of Year Supply Lists. Okay. This is the supply list that students should have, the items they need at the beginning of the year. I went ahead and listed them out here, and then also, since if they go to Walmart or somewhere to buy the supplies, they don't have their laptop handily with them, they can go ahead and print off the same copy of the supplies, and that way they can take this with them to the store. Oh, don't think I want to do any of this. So let's just do that. Okay. Sorry, we're going back. Now, you would go ahead, if you wanted to put a downloadable document on there. Once again, you just go ahead and hit your file. You would have had to download it into your images, and then you just go ahead and do it the same way you would as a file. Let's see, let's get out of Edit real quick. I believe that I have covered all of the bases here. So hopefully it takes some time to go ahead and get used to it and to play around with it, but hopefully this has given you enough information to get you started on making your wikis. Thank you very much.